Did it then. Hey Diesel. Oh my god, his breath smells like a rotten fish liver. Not sure what a rotten fish liver smells like, but anyway, you need a Tic Tac. Hi everyone, just currently sitting in the car with old smelly breath over here, and we are just waiting for Kyle to hurry up so that we can leave for our holiday. Woo. Oh, there goes my neighbour. Also, not sure what this big pile of hair is on the top of my head, but it's okay. We have liftoff. Here he comes. Can we get Diesel a Tic Tac though, because his breath is so bad. And his mouth is open. Okay, gotta get some tune. Oh man. Destination. We're going to Spicers Tamarind, which is in Maleny on the Sunshine Coast. I'll see ya when we get there. Yay! We're here! Kyle's just quickly gonna check in. Diesel's excited. What's the matter? Are you excited? Diesel. Are you excited? Can you hear the rain? I'm actually not even sad that it's raining, because I know that we're going to have such a beautiful room, so I'm actually just looking forward to seeing it and just unpacking my stuff, settling in and settling this one in too. He's excited and he probably needs a drink as well. Talk to you soon. Oh, look at this. Happy 30th to Kyle. Welcome to Spicers Tamarind. Please enjoy some sake on us. That is so cute. Is that how you say it? Sake. Alright. Well, we'll have to give that a go, won't we? Look at this little lounge area. Lovely TV.
It's nice and warm.
Oh, here's your bed, Diesel. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Let me just get the door open. There's a bed for Diesel. Little lead. Bowls and everything. Are you kidding me? Okay, so as you come back in from the veranda, love that little dog bed, by the way, that's so cute. Back into the living area. There's the dining and kitchen. Wood fire, and they've set it up all ready to go. That's so cute. And it's winter, so that'll be nice. Oh, there's a door this way. Let's have a look. I think this is a 2-bedroom place. So what have we got in here? We've got a bathroom. Why so many switches? So here's the bathroom. Shower. Oh, it's really nice. Toilet, towels. Me, hello. And little products that I believe are natural. Wheat protein shampoo, blue Maleny eucalyptus and lemongrass. Lovely. So there's a shampoo, conditioner, hand and body wash, and a skin lotion, and a little soap. Cute. So that's the bathroom. So many switches. Here's one of the bedrooms. This is so nice. TV, yes. Movies in bed. Cannot wait. Have a look at this huge bed. And it looks so comfortable. Oh yes. This is exciting. Kyle, you should see the bedroom. It's so nice.
That's our bedroom.
This one is even better. Yeah, we'll sleep in here. Got all their little products again. Oh, little makeup remover towels. Perfect. And there's like drawers and everything in here too. It's lovely. Towels, beautiful. Toilet and another shower. It's huge. I'm not gonna lie, I do wish that there was a bathtub in here. That would be ultimate. Oh, Diesel, you're so excited. He's just running around everywhere. He's so excited. Okay, I thought that the other room was lovely, but you should see this one. There's like another TV, and then this old like industrial cabinet. What's in there? Oh, hang on. Don't want to break it. There's a little thing. Oh, it's empty. I thought there's going to be something in there. Never mind. Diesel, what you saying? You want to go back outside, don't you? Oh, hang on. This bed. I love the headboard behind it. And this. Oh, that looks so comfy. I cannot wait to get in there. I've got a wardrobe. Safe. Not sure what we'll be needing that for. I think that might be slippers down there in the little bag. So that's one of the wardrobes. Just some drawers. We could put all our stuff in. Nice. Little artwork there. And oh yes, ironing board, towels, spare blanket up there. Nice. Alright, gonna get my stuff out of the car. Okay, so we've decided we're going to order room service or in-room dining. So I'm going to place that order pretty soon actually. Let's see, what do I want? Ooh, curries. Do I want a curry? That fragrant yellow curry looks good. So we're outside and we've decided we're going to take Diesel for a little walk and hopefully he'll go to the toilet. Oh, I don't know if we can walk on that. It looks like something's been planted there. That looks like this. There's Kyle and Diesel over there. Looks like we're gonna have a go at the Rainforest walk. Oh, I can hear it. What do you think, Diesel? Should we see if we can find the waterfall? Is this gonna be slippery? I've got the wrong shoes for this. I don't know how far we're gonna get because it looks like it might be barricaded off down there. But we'll see how we go. It's really dark too. Whoa, there's like tree branches everywhere down here. I can hear birds and there's like a waterfall somewhere. I can hear it. Oh, smell the air, Kyle. Smell the air. So fresh. It's lovely. So pretty. Basically just walking in the rainforest. There's nobody else around, which I love. Kyle and Diesel have walked off way ahead. I can't even see them, actually. They're like way up there. I suppose it is winter. I think someone's got their fire lit, actually. I can smell it. It's just so nice down here. Whoa, it's a bit slippery. Alright. I'm gonna put this camera away so I can concentrate on not falling over. We just found a bush turkey. Here, he flew up the tree. Can you see him? He is right there. These leaves are so big. I'm gonna put my hand next to it so you can see. It's huge. I don't know what they are, but they're cool. Kyle thinks we should dig one up and put it in our lounge room at home. Probably not going to be doing that. It is raining outside. I just want to sit out here. It's starting to get dark. But have a listen to that sound. So relaxing. Could listen to that all day. Dinner has just arrived and it looks and smells so good. I cannot wait to eat this. Have a look. So I ordered a yellow curry with some jasmine rice, and then Kyle's got this barramundi salad, but he's also having some of that because there's no way I'm going to eat that giant curry all to myself. Anyway, gonna eat this up. Good morning. It is the next day. It is now Saturday, 7th of July, and it's Kyle's birthday. We've just gotten back from breakfast. Why do I look so red? Holy dooly. Please excuse the appearance. I do not have any makeup on because, oh, it doesn't matter which way I turn. Oh, I look so red. I don't have any makeup on because we are going to the day spa soon. And Diesel is just down here next to me. We're just having a little bit of time outside while he has his breakfast and hopefully goes to the toilet because he's very particular about where he likes to do his poo-poos. So hopefully with a bit of food and a bit of encouragement, he might go. Wish us luck. Wanted to bring him outside because it's just so peaceful. It's so nice. Diesel, where is he? There he is. I just thought, oh, I might insert a little time lapse for you. Yeah. Back from the day spa. I feel really gross because of the massage oil, but I had like it was called a phytonutrient facial, and I just feel like it's drawn everything out already. So I don't know if that's good or bad, but other than that, my skin feels really lovely. The treatments went for about an hour and a half. Kyle just got a relaxation massage, and oh sorry, you can probably hear Diesel having a drink. We've just let him outside because he's been in the room the whole time while we were at the day spa. So I think I'm just gonna have a shower now, and then we're gonna go and find somewhere we can go to for lunch, and Kyle reckons he wants a steak, so we'll see where we can go. Other than that, we have a dinner reservation for tonight for Kyle's birthday dinner, and then we go home tomorrow. So yeah, that's about it. Hey guys, thought I'd give you a bit of an update. Sorry that I kind of forgot earlier. We went into Maleny. We got fish and chips for lunch. That's what we ended up having. So Kyle had some barramundi and I just had a burger, and we shared some chips. And then we took Diesel for a little walk around the town, and then basically the sky fell in. It just rained so heavy. So we came back to our little villa and we've just been relaxing. Now Kyle is in the shower getting ready, and I'm pretty much ready. I have put makeup on. I did that before because I wanted to look half decent tonight, although this hair, yeah, that's another story, but all good. Diesel's just down there because he has to follow me everywhere I go. He is my shadow and can't deal with being by himself for more than 2 minutes. Although he's been really good when we've left him in here by himself. As far as we know, he hasn't made any noise or anything, and he hasn't had any accidents inside, so yeah, that's really good. Yeah, Kyle's just getting ready. As soon as he's ready, we're gonna drive up for dinner, and then when we get back we're gonna have an early night, and tomorrow is our last day here. We have to check out fairly early in the morning, so I'll probably just give you a little update in the morning, and then yeah, I'll end the vlog tomorrow. And yep, that I'll wait to send it tomorrow. That's what I just said, didn't I? So I guess I'll say good night to you now, and I'll speak to you again in the morning. Good morning from our beautiful room. It's our last day here today. We're actually just packing up. Hey, hello. Hey. Here's my boy. Oh, it's freezing out there. I just opened the door for him, but he's not going out. Why won't you go for a wee wee? Hello. Oh, hello, 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 hello. Yes, he's being very difficult, although I can't blame him. I probably wouldn't want to go to the toilet when it's that cold either. It's like a freezing wind, and it's just like ice. It's so cold. It hasn't been this cold on the other days we've been here. I'm just packing up, using Kyle's gift bag as the dirty laundry basket, so it doesn't have to touch the clean clothes in the bag. I have washed my hair this morning, but I haven't really done anything else except dry it. Put on a little bit of concealer, but then I looked like a ghost, so I had to get some bronzer and put that on too. I think we're about to go to breakfast, then we're going to come back and get all our stuff, and then we're going to go home. That's it, guys. That's the end of our holiday. In case anyone is wondering, I will show you what I got Kyle for his birthday. Obviously this trip was his birthday present, but then just a couple of little things to open. I got him this wireless charging pad for his phone. Then I got him this really nice shaving balm. Oh, he's put it away. a really nice shaving balm and a hoodie jumper. He's wearing it, but he's currently in the bathroom getting ready, so I can't really show you that. I'm closing these doors because it's too cold. Right, I'm gonna go get my shoes on and then go to breakfast. And the time has come where we are ready to go. So I'm just having a quick look around to make sure that we haven't left anything behind. And Kyle's just packing everything in the car. Let me see, nothing there. Oh, don't forget the chargers. Still plugged into the wall. I'll do a quick check of the bedroom. Let me see. Oh, the light's still on. Nothing in the bathroom. No. It looks pretty good in here. And here. Oh, this bedroom lighting is so unflattering. I can't see anything. I might turn the air conditioner off though, the heater. Turn that off. Save some power. We didn't put anything in these drawers, did we? Kyle. That. No, I don't want to take your slippers home. Nothing in this cupboard. No. Kyle, we didn't put anything in the drawers, did we?
I didn't.
No, I didn't. I don't think there'll be anything in this bathroom. We didn't really use it. Nope. Okay, I think we've got everything. Where is the light switch for this bedroom? Maybe I'll just open the curtain up. There's nothing on the veranda. Oh, duh, here's the light switch. Okay. Nothing on the veranda, nothing on the couch. Could probably leave the curtains open. You definitely don't want to try letting Diesel out one more time for a poo-poo?
No, it's good.
Okay. He's going to be farting all the way home. Did you bring your birthday card that they left you?
Yep.
Cool. In my bag. Funny how everything gets into my bag. It's still freezing. I don't think there's anything in here. Nope. Got the chargers. I think that's it. We're gonna go home. Okay, we're in the car. There's Diesel. Has he farted already?
Probably.
Oh, that's so bad. Whoa.
I think it's just his breath.
This light though. Okay. Goodbye, house. Goodbye.